All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, much appreciated as always. Going to be doing another review video today, but something a little bit different. Going to be doing a review video on something that is not crypto. It's a small startup company called Blackout Coffee Company, and they are on startengine.com where you can invest in small startups. Just for transparency's sake, I have already bought into Blackout Coffee on Start Engine. I'll leave all links in the description of the video and you can check it out when you get a chance, but stay till the end of the video because I want to let you know how you can invest in this company if you want to. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and invest at your own risk. So here we have Blackout Coffee on Start Engine. Blackout Coffee Company is an online premium specialty coffee roasting company known for exceptionally fresh coffee and for supporting traditional American values, military first responders, and hardworking people all across the country. So let's take a look at their video real quick.
Blackout Coffee, fresh roasted, bold flavors, serving heroes on the front lines.
Blackout Coffee, baby!
Blackout Coffee! Since day one, Blackout Coffee has been built on a strong brand with a passionate fan base. Our growth over the last 4 years has been a testament to the high standard of our coffee. From the ingredients we use to the values as a company we have, quality is something Blackout Coffee drinkers expect. With the global specialty coffee market expected to grow from $53 billion in 2021 to over $152 billion by 2030, the coffee subscription model is becoming one of the fastest industries in the world. Blackout Coffee is positioned for continued growth. But where did it start? Meet John.
Our thought process in the beginning was to make a coffee for all the everyday American that works hard, plays hard, and never stops. We actually started playing around with the beans, and we came up with different types of beans to make a really strong coffee that does not give you the jitters.
I decided to join Blackout Coffee a few years ago, mainly because our values aligned. We both believe in strong individual liberties, patriotism, and strong American family values.
Other coffee brands roast their beans in large batches and let it sit for weeks at a time before shipping. Blackout Coffee ships its products within 2 days of roast to ensure the freshest coffee possible.
From the moment we get them, we check for quality, we roast, and basically gets bagged within the next 2 days and shipped out to the customers, so it's as fresh as you can get.
My name is Doc, and I am the lead roaster for Blackout Coffee. To me, I've tried all sorts of different coffee, even the smaller independent brands, and Blackout's just different. It tastes different. And I actually came across them while working for a different company, and I could smell the roast going on, and I'm like, I need to try that one. The fact that I am a veteran and John is extremely veteran, friendly, oriented, along with the first responders, also made an impression with me, which is why I decided to work for him.
With over 100,000 orders shipped since 2018 and over 50,000 orders shipped in 2022 alone, Blackout Coffee's production has boomed.
When we first moved here about a year and a half ago, I was averaging, I don't know, maybe 5 hours of roasting. But ever since we moved here, I am now pretty much averaging a 9 to 11 hour roast day. But that's because we have picked up business so much that as soon as it's made on certain days, as soon as it comes out of the cooling bin, it's already in bags being packaged and shipped out that day.
I tell you, one of the smoothest, best dark roast coffees I've ever had.
Did you take the whole jug?
Fresh cup of coffee.
Okay, guys, I'm not going to go over the whole, show the whole video, but you get the idea. So increasing sales, roasted after 2 hours after roast, the coffee is shipped fresh. So those are two great things that I think stand out with this company, and also the subscription service with the coffee I think is definitely a great part of this coffee company. So let's read a little bit more about it here. So reasons to invest. We are an icon in the premium small batch coffee roasting industry and it shows in our numbers, our products, our customers. Our coffee makes us profitable, but our community makes us valuable. So they appreciate their community. That's always great to see. Our brand is rooted in our favorite American qualities: duty, family, rights, and values. We engage in our community, and our 45,000 customers know it, not to mention our 40% retention rate. We've sold over $4.5 million worth of products and shipped over 100,000 orders since inception. Our distinctive roasts are packed within 48 hours and shipped with lightning speed at the peak of freshness. Blackout Coffee is a premium coffee experience. I like how they support first responders and also veterans. I love a company that gives back. They have some pretty cool merchandise too. I kind of like in this coffee cup here. You can see at the top of the screen. So here's their pitch. At Blackout Coffee, we roast premium specialty coffees entirely in-house and infuse them with traditional American values to create our own slice of the small batch coffee industry, which will reach $152.69 billion by 2030. For the past 4+ years, our premium coffee blends have earned over 45,000 customers, more than 100,000 orders, and a 40% returning customer rate, 10% higher than the industry average, and over 4,000 active coffee club subscriptions. We actively support militaries, veterans, police, firefighters, first responders, all Americans who see their work as their duty, not just a job. We've partnered with Jared Yanis, the Dan Bongino Show, and have grown our revenue from 130,000 in 2019 to 2.4 million in 2022. Huge numbers, guys. Huge numbers there in such a short amount of time. So very strong growth in Blackout Coffee Company. I like to see that. So let's talk about a little bit about Jared. He's Director of Partnerships, and he's also owns the channel and is the host of Guns and Gadgets. If you're into Second Amendment or guns, his channel is really great. I've been a subscriber of his since probably, I want to say, under 100,000 subscribers, and he has 613,000 subscribers now. So his channel growth, kudos to him. He's doing great work over there. I recommend you check it out and subscribe. All right, so let's get back to the overview. Coffee with traditional American values has been successful for us. Blackout Coffee was founded in Florida 4 years ago because we were tired of giving our money to coffee companies that didn't share our values. We also felt like the coffee that was available didn't come close to the quality and freshness that we were craving. We could see that there was a huge opportunity in the market that aligned with our own personal wish list. Since we started, our annual revenue has exploded from 130,000 to 2.4 million. We have experienced tremendous growth, serving over 45,000 customers and surpassing 100,000 fulfilled orders. Since we started our coffee subscription model in 2021, we have earned the repeatable business and loyalty of more than 4,000 hardworking Americans and growing. So we got some good growth there, guys. Got some great revenue. Sales are increasing. As you can see, they have a 40% retention rate, higher than the industry standard. Premium coffee can't sit on a grocery store shelf. So grocery stores, they don't sell fresh coffee. Coffee is at absolute peak of freshness about 3 days after roasting, and they get it to you before that. Our process strength. So any good business has a good process, efficient process. So here they talk about that. We source premium specialty grade green coffee beans, which are graded at 80 points or above on a 100-point scale. So this is, of course, this is going to be more expensive coffee than at the grocery store. And this is part of the reason why. If you want good quality coffee, and I'm a coffee lover, you have to pay for great coffee. And you have to pay for it to get shipped to you in a timely fashion so the beans are fresh. So 80 points or higher on a 100-point scale. Specialty coffees are grown at the perfect altitude at the correct time of the year in the best soil, and then are harvested at just the right time. That's why that great coffee is grown in Costa Rica, Brazil, Jamaica, Jamaican Blue Mountain, because they're growing at these the ideal locations, the best soil, harvested just right. So they work with local co-ops and farmers that grow high quality coffee. And we adopt a strict adherence to small batch roasting our coffee. This process is why we are consistent in providing you with a coffee that has exceptional taste. So they do everything in-house. Blackout coffee is roasted, packed, and shipped with lightning speed, usually within 24 to 48 hours. This means you get the beans just day after they're roasted. All right. So coffee subscription models are booming. Coffee subscription models are one of the fastest growing industries in the world. 4,000 subscribers in just 2 years. It's pretty impressive. Fastest growing industries in the world are coffee subscription models. This is 74% Americans who drink coffee every day, 87% Americans who are obsessed with coffee. 2/3 of Americans who make coffee at home every day. I do that. I very rarely go out for coffee. All right, I'm trying to get through this as quick as possible, guys. Thanks for your patience. If you like this kind of content, if you think it's valuable, you want to be in the know for different kinds of investments, mainly crypto. This has been an exception for me because I really like this company. I just wanted to get out there to my subscribers. Crypto investments, crypto tutorials, NFTs, things like that. Please subscribe to the channel, like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. Smash that like button and share this video. Small batch coffee industry is growing at an unprecedented rate. So some places they've been on the media. Jared Yanis from Guns and Gadgets. Dan Bongino show is pretty popular. So they've put methods and systems in place that streamline manufacturing, allow for high profitability. Very important for a company to have methods and systems in place. I don't know if you ever watched that show called The Profit on CNBC, but he's always talking about methods and systems. 90% online sales allow us to not rely on revenue from a few major retailers. In 2022, Blackout Coffee averaged 40% returning customer rate and offer 40 different kinds of roasts and flavors consistently in demand. Acquired new roasting processing equipment will increase product output by up to 10 times. So a lot of problems that small companies have is that they grow too fast and they can't manufacture their products fast enough to meet demand. So here you can see that they've already thought ahead and got new roasting and processing equipment, new marketing partnership with podcast hosts, and robust PR in place. Hopefully my small community and my small contribution with this video will help. Reach an average of 248% year-over-year revenue growth, surpassed $2.4 million in revenue in 2022. And they go over the numbers here, 1.5 million in sales, went up to 2.4 million, like I said before. So it's more than just coffee. They give back to military, sending donated coffee care packages to deployed troops. Our commitment to supporting community doesn't end there. We have also partnered with GovX to provide savings to all first responders who serve. Again, like a company that gives back and has a charity. Official coffee for Cars and Coffee Palm Beach, and have developed a large following at this event with repeatable business and passionate loyal customers. So every month they serve coffee to the 15,000 people who attend Cars and Coffee at Palm Beach. Have you ever been there? Let me know in the comment section. Sounds like a pretty cool event. So they have great reviews. And here you can talk about or read about the team and do your own due diligence. I'm not going to go over to here. There's a brief review. John Dos Santos, founder and director, proven track record, 20 years of entrepreneurial experience, has a passion for a good cup of coffee and to start his own coffee roasting business. He heads up operations while overseeing production and marketing, et cetera, et cetera. Rachel Alice Santos, co-founder, president, and director, responsible for customer relations, accounting, and administration. And here we have Jared Yanis, co-owner and director of partnerships. He's a retired law enforcement sergeant and a staunch Second Amendment advocate. He is a proud father and husband, thoroughly enjoys teaching others about their rights, and plays a vital role in establishing partnership with brands that align with his culture, or our culture. Jared joins the Blackout Coffee team after realizing the quality of the product and extreme attention to detail is second to none. So here are the terms of the investment, guys. It's $1.25 per share. Right now, the valuation is $7.94 million. And the deadline is May 4th, unless they sell out, because the maximum number of shares you can see here is 988,000. They already sold 848,000, over $848,000, 962 investors. The minimum investment is only $198.75, guys. So the minimum number of shares offered is 12,000. The max of investment is 1.235 million. We have the SEC filings here. You can read about that when you get a chance. You want to read the risks. And you want to read the fine print here. Do your due diligence, guys. This is just a brief review. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. All right, so they have bonuses, but it's time-based. Friends and family early birds within the 72 hours, first 72 hours receive 10% bonus. We're past that. So right now we're at the super early bird bonus. Within the next 72 hours, receive 8% bonus shares. So here we have amount-based. So tier 1, you also get, if you invest $500, you get $50 investor Blackout Coffee gift card, and it goes up from there. $1,000, $100, exclusive access to Blackout Coffee's investors Facebook group, and it goes on from there. I'll let you read that when you get a chance. All the way up to 50,000. So here's what I wanted to let you know, guys. If you stuck around the video, then thank you, appreciate it. I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video that you can use that'll bring you to Start Engine to set up an account if you're interested. So you get 10% more shares of Blackout Coffee Company if you sign up for the Start Engine owner's bonus. So the owner's bonus, you'll get 10% more. I believe it's $275 a year to sign up. However, you get a 7-day free trial period. You can cancel before that trial period is up, and you'll get your 10% additional free shares of Blackout Coffee. As you can see, they reached $700,000 in 72 hours. So we're on the next 72-hour period, bonus period. They raised $500,000 in just over 24 hours. So they're on the super early bird bonus, and there's 2 days and 6 hours left on that. So here it is here. You can select it when you sign up for your account. Okay, so one other thing, guys. When you use my link, you also get shares of the actual Start Engine company. And I get shares of the company. So you get that bonus as well by using my link. So I'll leave it in the description of the video. So let me know what you think about this, guys. A little bit different video today. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated, and we'll see you on the next video.